सो क्लास 12 एक बारी और समझते हैं रेंज, डोमेन और कोडोमेन का कॉन्सेप्ट। मान के चलिए वी हैव टू सेट्स A 2,4 एंड B सेट हमारे पास है 10, 20 और 35 इसके एलिमेंट्स है। सो व्हाट इज द कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट नाउ? A क्रॉस B, दैट इज P, Q. P belongs to A and Q belongs to B. So that is P, Q. P belongs to A and Q belongs to Q. तो आपके पास ये आ जाएगा A क्रॉस B is equal to that is 2, 10, 2, 20, 2, 35, next 4, 10, 4, 20 and 4, 35. So ये आपके कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट आ गए A क्रॉस B, where 2, 4 are the elements of set A, that is P, and Q are the elements belongs to set B, that is 10, 20 and 35. So let us have a relation. We will write here relation is equal to, we have a relation P, Q such that Q is a multiple of P. Q is a multiple of P and P belongs to A, Q belongs to B. P belongs to A, Q belongs to B. So we have R is equal to, this is a set builder form, so we can write in the roster form like this. The roster form will be like this. Q is a multiple of P. Q is a multiple. So Q, we have Qs as, these are the Qs. 10, 20, 35. These are Q and P is 2 and 4. So first ordered pair will be 2, 10, because 10 is a multiple of 2. So Q is a multiple of P. So 2 5s are 10. Yes, 10 is a multiple of 2. Next 2, 20. 2, 20 is also, because 20 is a multiple of 2. So this is our second ordered pair. 2 10s are 20. Now is 35 a multiple of 2? No, 35 is not a multiple of 2. So this can't be an ordered pair in this relation. Next 4, 10. Is 10 a multiple of 4? No, 4 is not a multiple of 4. So this can't be an ordered pair. Next is 4 and 20. Is 20 a multiple of 4? Yes, 4 5s are 20. So this will be our next ordered pair. And 4, 35, because 35 is not in the multiple of 4. So this can't be an ordered pair. So these are the three ordered pairs in this relation. Now we will understand what is range, domain and codomain. So we will write like this: range, then we write domain, and next codomain. So first you must understand, as you know, that domain is all the first elements of in the ordered pair of a relation. All the set of all the elements, which is first element, set of all the first elements in the ordered pair of a relation. So what is the first set? This is 2, first element, and again we have 2, the first element, and again we have 4, the first element. So therefore domain is that is 2 and 4 is the domain. Next, what is range? So range is all set of all the second elements in the ordered pair of a relation. So what is second pair? Second element 10, 20. So we can write range, it is 10, 20. So this is the range. Now codomain. this is very important here. So range, what is the relation between range and codomain? Range is nothing but it is a subset of codomain. Subset of, this is B. You can write it as set B. Subset of set B. This subset of set B. So what is codomain then? Yes, what is codomain then? That is 10, 20 and 35. So codomain will be, your codomain is 10, 20, 35. That means set B. So set B is the codomain. So range is nothing but subset of B. So B, what is range? 10, 20, and 10, 20 is in set B. So range is contained in B. That means range is subset of B, and codomain is all the elements present in set B. It's 10, 20 and 35. Let us understand this concept with an arrow diagram. So here we have set A 2, 4, B 10, 20, 35. Let's understand with this an arrow diagram. Here we have set A and this is set B. The relation is the elements of set A is 2 and 4 and the elements of set B is 10, 20 and 35. So 2 Q is a multiple of P. So this is the first 10, 2 and 10. 10 is a multiple of 2. 10 is 2, 20 is also multiple of 2 and 20 is also multiple of 4. So these are the three ordered pairs: 210, 220 and 410. So domain is set A, that is 2, 4, because all the first elements of in the ordered pair, set up all the elements of the in the ordered pair of a relation. Range is set up all the second elements in the ordered pair of a relation. In the ordered pair is 10 and 20, these are second elements. And then the last final, that is codomain, and codomain is subset of a range. So range is a subset of codomain. Range is a subset of codomain. So therefore codomain is set B, that is 10, 20, 35. That is equal to B. Why I write B? Because B is a set B, 10, 20, 35. All the three elements belongs to codomain.